Hey everyone, welcome and thanks for joining us. Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2026 Honda Pioneer 1000, including the 3 and 5-seat Pioneer 1000 Deluxe. These all-new side-by-sides are designed to help you work and play comfortably. And like all Honda side-by-sides, they're proudly made in the USA, using domestic and globally sourced parts. Planned in Alpharetta, Georgia, designed in Marysville, Ohio, and produced at Honda's amazing plant in Timmonsville, South Carolina. In this walk-around, we'll break down what's new across the platform, explain how those changes translate to real-world benefits, and show you how the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe continues to deliver the durability and reliability that Honda customers depend on. Let's take a closer look.
Introducing the 2026 Pioneer 1000 Deluxe, fully reimagined by Honda to help you work easy. Carrying the heaviest loads? Easy. Turning the bed into a workstation? Easy. Maintaining slow and steady speeds? Easy. Heck, maintaining any speed? Easy. Smooth shifting and handling? Easy. Seeing the info you need at any time? Easy. Accessorizing your Pioneer to your specs? Easy. All the grit, all the sweat, all the punishing days on the job? Time to put that behind you. Because making easy work of work is what the new Pioneer 1000 is built to do. From Honda.
Before we get into the details, let's acknowledge some of the other big news from Honda. The introduction of the fully enclosed 2026 Pioneer 1000 Elite and its class-leading HVAC system. We know there's a lot of excitement around Honda's first side-by-side offered with a fully enclosed cab, and we're looking forward to sharing much more on that model soon. That said, a majority of the features and technologies introduced on the Elite are also found on the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe, and that's what this walk-around will focus on today. To help us do that, let's bring in Matt Alexander, Honda's large project leader for the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe. Welcome, Matt. Thanks for joining us. Let's start with the obvious. The Pioneer 1000 has a very different look for 2026. Can you talk us through what's changed here?
You're right, Bradley. With all the new and exciting changes, we felt the platform deserved an updated design. As you can see, we gave the body strong, squared-off lines, a wider face, and more substantial bodywork for a tougher, more purposeful look. New LED headlights add style and visibility, and all trim levels come standard with the roof, which was previously only available as an accessory. This unit here with us today is Hero Red, but the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe is also available in Black Forest Green and True Timber Atera Camo.
Okay, what about the hardware underneath all of that new bodywork? What were some of the goals and how do you go about achieving those?
One area we really emphasized was reducing the noise that the occupants experience. The body panels now have improved attachments for reduced noise, and fitment has been improved on all vehicle doors, which also feature latches with a new nylon-coated pall to minimize metal-on-metal rattling. Beyond that, there's a new intake and exhaust system that further reduce noise.
Awesome. I mean, those noise reduction changes are going to really make a difference over the course of a long day of work. Now, speaking about work, I know a ton of effort went into the new bed design. Can you talk us through the changes there?
The Pioneer 1000's bed is now compatible with Honda's Pro Connect system to simplify mounting Honda accessories. The 3P has a total of 14 Pro Connect mounting points around the bed and 4 tie-down points. Meanwhile, the 5P bed has 4 Pro Connect mounting points, 4 Mini Pro Connect mounting points, and 5 tie-down points. To help organize your load, the 3P bed also features integrated divider slots that fit 3/4-inch plywood. And for long days on the job that require early starts and late finishes, the bed light is now brighter and mounted higher up to better light up the bed.
Are there any other exterior or overall design changes that you're especially proud of?
Yeah, we designed this unit for convenience. The fuel cap and dump bed lever were located outside the vehicle door so that they're easier to access. And air filter access is now tool-free, reducing service time from roughly 15 minutes to about 1 minute, saving time and effort for maximum convenience. The Pioneer 1000 Deluxe also has a formed ROPS for easy integration of an accessory cab.
Now, moving inside of the vehicle, can you walk us through the changes to the passenger and driver area?
This is an area where we really benefited from dealer and customer feedback. The market told us that too much heat was reaching the vehicle occupants during hard driving, so we applied extensive weather sealing to the vehicle and redesigned interior parts. We also applied insulation between the engine and the driver-passenger area, and we eliminated an air path from the engine compartment. The result is lower surface temperatures inside the vehicle, which contributes to a more comfortable ride.
Nice. I think people are really going to appreciate that. Now, can you talk us through any of the other changes that you're particularly excited about?
Yes. For convenience, the redesigned safety nets now attach entirely to the doors. So when the door is closed, the safety net is closed as well. There's also a new 5-inch LCD display that's 25% larger and conveniently mounted to the steering column, so that the display moves with the adjustable steering wheel for improved visibility.
What about storage? I know that's super important for customers, whether they're using their Pioneer for work or play.
Absolutely. We added a new under-seat storage tray that's perfect for things like tools and tow straps. Between that and other compartments, there's a total of 18.7 liters of storage capacity in the cabin. Plus, we now have a total of 6 cup holders that can hold large tumbler-style containers, as well as a USB-C charging port in the glove box.
How about accessories? Side-by-side customers are all about personalizing their vehicles.
Earlier, I mentioned the ProConnect compatibility. There are 64 new Honda accessories for the Pioneer 1000, including 10 new ProConnect accessories and a host of mini ProConnect accessories, for a total of 85. For windshields alone, there are now 4 options, and there's an accessory soft cab available. We also added dash switch blanks and a standard fuse box and bus bar, so installing accessories on the Pioneer 1000 is easier than ever.
Now, switching gears a little bit and focusing on performance, you also added throttle-by-wire for 2026. And this is the first time throttle-by-wire has been added to a Honda side-by-side. What benefits does that unlock?
Throttle-by-wire is an exciting addition and allows us refined throttle mapping. Plus, it works in conjunction with the DCT to deliver smooth launches, smoother shifting, and reduced jerkiness for a more controlled driving experience. The improvement is especially noticeable when driving in stop-and-go situations, during towing, on steep inclines, or when driving across rough terrain. It's also helpful in situations like loading the vehicle onto a trailer. The new throttle-by-wire system also improves performance during gear changes.
Very cool. What are some of the other changes that are meant to improve the overall driving experience?
A key feature is the new electric power steering motor, which has 50% more torque output for steering assist. The system is tuned to improve driver comfort with responsive, intuitive handling and better steering character that gives a stable, connected feel, especially when the Pioneer is loaded with passengers and cargo. The required steering effort is reduced, and it's more consistent when navigating rocks, roots, and mud.
Okay, we might be saving the best for last here. For 2026, the Pioneer 1000 comes with 4 drive modes. Can you walk us through those modes and any other electronic advancements for 2026?
The 4 modes are Comfort, Normal, Sport, and Tow Haul. These allow users to precisely adjust vehicle behavior depending on the driving style or conditions. Also, the new Pioneer 1000 features cruise control and a variable speed limiter. Cruise control pretty much speaks for itself. You can set the vehicle at a speed between 25 and 40 miles per hour. For example, when ranchers or farmers need to travel between fields. With the variable speed limiter, the vehicle's top speed can be capped between 3 and 25 miles per hour. This is perfect for spraying, mowing, and spreading. There's also an available accessory speed limiter, which caps top speed at 25 miles per hour. Great for construction sites, farms, and ranches.
That's an impressive list of improvements. And I know the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe still has a ton of features that have been customer favorites over the past decade, like the proven 999cc parallel twin engine with automatic dual clutch transmission, with no belts to wear out, as well as Honda's legendary durability, quality, and reliability. You can find the Pioneer 1000 Deluxe at your local Honda Powersports dealership or learn more at powersports.honda.com. Thanks for watching.